guys.
Diretso pa.
Me, Demetri, and this is me in the car, adventure, and the one that
Black
you're
na
seeing
adventure ang sakayan
over
namin.
here is my tita talking to, I don't know, and this is my
Oo,
nana.
labas na.
And over there is Tito Bonnie.
Hindi, kanina pa.
So,
Nandito kami sa
Nakaparada kami kamo.
the reason
nakaparada
why
kami sa may
we're
JPJ
here
Mart.
is because we are waiting for the
Oo.
sundo, and we are at JPJ Mart. JPJ
Ay
Mart.
ganon, di balik kami dun sa may JPJ, ay sa may
There is
Malamig
a
Resort.
birthday. There's a birthday. Oh, we're going.
O sige,
We're driving,
babalik na kami
and
ng Malamig
there
Resort.
is-
Babalik na kami.
Tama ya mo.
Malamig Resort.
Oo, adventure na black.
Malamig means cold if you're
O sige,
American.
sige. O sige, pabalik na kami doon.
This is Tagalog, okay? Just watch and just
O,
feel it.
pabalik na kami ng Malamig Resort.
We are going though at Malamig Resort. Malamig means cold. If there is Malamig,
There is
Then-
mainit.
yeah,
If there is mainit,
there's Malamig.
no,
One.
it's hap-hap.
We are going to Malamig Resort. Oh, there's a police car right behind that. Yeah, that's a police car. Flying. I don't know. Earlier, I saw a bulldozer.
Ay, andun na yata yung mga lapos. Ano. Oh, naririnig ko ng boses ni Jerry. O, Linda!
As you can see, it's raining very heavily. Do you know why? There's a bagyo. There is a bagyong Christine. Bag
No. Umalis na siya. Hello?
at 2 p.m. pa. Then you said
Oh,
that
ito.
Ito na. Nakita na namin kamo.
Nakita na namin.
Bakit doon?
Yan.
Ay!
Yan
Ikay
pala
pala, Gidong. Gidong
That,
Kenny?
that.
Gido.
Him. It's him.
Oops.
Yan.
Doon.
Ikimi na si Gidong.
Him.
Gido.
Yeah,
Ay, Gido.
Ayaw,
got
kape
him.
mo. Buksan mo dyan. Tayo kape.
I got him.
Oh,
I got him. I don't know what is going on, but
kanto kanan, diretso
Tito
na sa bahay
Bonnie
daw.
just opened the window.
Huwag na rin kaya pa lang, datang na pa mo.
Oo, daratala pam.
May kaya?
Ding.
There's a
Tagabamban.
little bit
Kanto,
shaky.
kanan.
Pero nandin la pa meron.
A little bit
Yan.
shaky.
Diretso daw.
Sa bahay yan. Ayun
Oo.
ang bahay niya. Ayun ang
Over
mga
here?
taga-Bamban.
Datang na pa mo.
There
Ay,
is
wapin.
like a farm.
Nandin yan eh. Yung bandang ngayon eh.
Pag na yung kurasyon yan eh.
Oo,
I
bandang
have
kura.
never seen this before.
Ito ang bahay nila
What?
dito.
This
Ito pala yan
farm.
nila.
Ayun o, may nagpapay.
Dito.
Oo, dyan.
Ito, parada. Saka.
Type na yata. Type na yata ang saling sandig like yan eh.
Some
Maraming bakal ganda to la.
Diyan. Ganun mo na lang. Atras
Baka
mo na
doon
lang.
pa. Ay,
Saan pa?
dito na.
Oh, tingnan muna natin. Mga doon pa nga. Sabi, yan ang kanto yung bahay nila. Diyan na lang. Saan? Ayan.
I am currently in a jacket.
Kenneth.
Hindi nga si Kanang pepengin ko.
Happening.
Lele.
O, payong o. Ikayo, yung kung magdala mo sarili yung payong.
Magdala ka na.
Aliwari, Bonnie.
Atin yung payong. Ay, tsuya ka rin ba na? Mga
Baka tama mo yan.
What's the beeping sound? Can anyone explain why is there a beeping sound?
Yun yung karikura eh.
In case you've been wondering,
Dito na lang tayo.
how am I supposed to eat? Well, I've eaten a dewy donut
Oh.
and 2
Dito na lang
brownies.
tayo.
Dito na lang parada, hindi uubra yung doon.
Oo.
Putik doon, baka ngayon, balahaw tayo doon.
Balahaw tayo.
Brownies on my
Sabi,
face.
sandali, babawan muna. Walang mga payong.
Anyways,
Isa-isa.
this is taking
Oh, you
so
put your ano,
long,
you put your pan.
and
Yan, iatras mo na lang.
so I'm going to make a part 2. This is part 1, and before we leave, please make sure to like and subscribe. Bye bye.
Dali na.